Hey, it's Rhonda with your latest tech update. We're all watching events in Ukraine in horror right now. And while you might have wondered how it could impact the world, have you also thought how it could affect your business? Specifically, your cybersecurity. There's no direct threat to U.S. businesses that we're currently aware of. But the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency and the FBI have advised all businesses to improve their defenses. Russia has a history of launching cyber attacks and may hit back against global action. Official advice is for businesses of all sizes to make sure cybersecurity fundamentals are in place. This keeps devices, networks, and systems safe and secure. Check your backups are working, all applications are updated and patched, and your team is following good security practice. We're here to help. If you have any worries that your cybersecurity has fallen behind, call us and we'll check. That's your tech update. More next week.